Take a look at this. When a user sends any message like AI, hello, or anything, the AI agent replies within a minute. This is like a preset message which was there in the prompt. Like, hey there, thanks for reaching out. You mentioned AI. Are you looking for AI powered automation and chatbot features? Like a reply comes through. Hi, I'm Hannah, and what you just saw was our WhatsApp AI agent built under just 10 minutes using Greenbubble. By the end of this video, you'll have one running on your own WhatsApp number. So basically, a quick thing, Greenbubble actually has two different automation tools. First is chatbot and second is AI agent. So basically, in this video, we're going to learn how we can create a AI agent. So we're building a AI agent today and you'll train it on your business. It understands natural language, replies like a human and handles questions you never predicted. Simple way to think about it is the chatbot follows a script and the AI agent thinks for itself after that. So let's build one right now. So when you sign up, so basically when you sign up and create a free account, I can just go to dashboard. You can also open your dashboard because you can see such things over here. And after we open our dashboard, I'll go to create a AI training campaign. And for that, we need to open settings and integrations under control panel. You can see over here different AI campaigns which I have already created is opened over here. So basically, if I have to create an AI campaign, I will just select over here new and I can name anything like what should I name my AI campaign for today? I will just name it Fast Cart. It's just a random name, and here is a default prompt for our AI campaign. You can just edit it in your own customizable way. I will just save it, and training campaign had already added over here. We can see fast card. So here we can see it is written no training data found because we need to add a training data for our AI agent. So basically these two AI agents have successfully added as a AI agent. So let's see how we can add different data. So here we can add FAQs and URLs to train our data. So basically you can add a URL over here for your AI agent so that it can know what information it needs to reply to our customer. You can just add new and you need to add a URL of your web page, link, and whatever you need your AI to know about. And you will just save it as a, and after that, you just need to save it as a raw response. But for today, you can also add your file, Google Sheet, and APIs as well. But today, let's talk about content and facts which I have already added in my AI agent Greenbubble default. This is the prompt I have added, and the AI will learn through this prompt and reply to the messages according to this. I have added certain questions which the AI needs to answer in the way I have told it to answer. Like I have taught it all about our website, Greenbubble, and it can clear doubts of our customers very well. This is the main role of prompting. You can just create a prompt from any AI tools like Grok AI or ChatGPT. It will be really easy for you. You just need to add your business information, or for example, if a customer asks the AI what is Greenbubble, AI will automatically reply this. Greenbubble is a WhatsApp Cloud API platform that allows businesses to send bulk campaigns and automate replies, manage conversations, and use approved WhatsApp templates from one dashboards, etc. Like I have added a lot of questions. So basically, this is how you train your AI. And if we talk more how we need to like train our AI agent, here is like modifying campaign details. Here is the option of modifying campaign details in which we add specific prompt messages. For example, enter the initial training text for your bot. Basically, here we are training our bot what language it needs to use while talking to a customer. So here is all about that, like how much delay it has to give to the replies and how it needs to reply if the question is out of context of the website or anything else comes under this, and you just need to update it. As you have seen, the green bubble default settings have been saved, the URL have been added, and different prompts have been added. So what we need to do after, like, we have added the informations and different things. So after that, you need to go to your bot manager under WhatsApp Business. You can see here several options. I will just click on AI agent. I will just click on AI agent. As you can see, interface will open, and these are the settings you need to enable for. You need to just enable AI agent and then enable intent detection. You just don't need to enable it, and you need to enable it for AI agent all queries, for contextual memory, for contextual memories, and conversation with the subscriber, like for preview, for previous 15, like you have to select the numbers too, and you can just enable these things, like enable assign conversation to team or department, enabling typing or indicator, like when the AI is typing, like whenever a user sends a messages, you can see that the user gets a typing thing on WhatsApp, which we get when a normal human being is typing. So we can just simply save the settings and your AI bot will be set up. So basically you can just also you can also select AI reasoning level. I have like selected to medium, and here you can just select what AI training campaign you want to select. So I have selected green bubble default over here. You can also create new from these actions only. You can just save settings and your settings will be saved. You can just click on save settings and you can see that you successfully saved your settings and your AI bot has been set up.